Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with a makeup tutorial for this upcoming Eid. In this video I'm gonna show you how to transform your makeup look from day to night. So let's get started. First I'm using my ordinary high spreadability fluid primer and I'm spreading it with my hand. Applying my foundation with a beauty blender, and this foundation is Ordinary's Coverage Foundation. My shade is 2.1Y. As usual, I'm applying my trusty Elegir Pro Concealer in the shade Yellow. This will work as my corrector and as well as concealer. Now I'm setting my concealer with Rimmel Stay Matte Powder. Now I'm applying my bronzer to the perimeter of my face and to the side of my nose. I'm gonna use this bronzer as my contour because it's a daytime makeup. Applying my blush to the center of my face. This technique of putting blush on the nose and on the center of your face will help you to achieve much younger look. I'm highlighting the usual areas of my face where the sun hits. I'm gonna use light tan for subtle glow as it's a daytime makeup. Now I am filling my brows with e.l.f. Eyebrow Kit. I'm using my bronzer, which is Estee Lauder's Golden Goddess, as my transition shade. I'm gonna put it on my crease and a little above my crease with a fluffy brush. I will also blend this color on my lower lash line. Now with this deep color, I am deepening up my crease and the outer V. And this color matches my shari perfectly, so I am using this as my lid color and applying this with a flat shader brush. I am gonna apply this black shadow from the outer corner to the middle of my eyelid. Now with my eyeliner, I am creating a wing. Highlighting my brow bone with this shade. I'm tight lining with Urban Decay Perversion Eye Pencil. To have some definition on my lower lash line, I am applying this black shadow close to my lower lashes. Now I'm highlighting my inner eye corner. Again, I'm intensifying that black eyeshadow that I have put earlier. I'm using this glitter eyeliner from Urban Decay. It's Midnight Cowboy. I'm starting the line from the inner corner and stopping it in the middle of my eyelid. Now I'm curling up my my lashes and applying one coat of Tarte mascara to my upper and lower lashes. Now I'm applying this peachy nude color called Sandstorm, and I'm gonna create an ombre effect by using this color called Cherry Bomb. I'm applying this just to the outer corner of my lips and then blending it with a lip brush like so. Here is my finished daytime look. Now let's transform this look from day to night. I am intensifying my blush and also reapply my highlighter. This time I can go heavy because it's night time. I'm lining my waterline with that perversion eye pencil. I'm gonna set this with a black eyeshadow. To have more drama on the eyes, I have applied a pair of false lashes, and I have also changed my lip color and applied Cherry Bomb to the entire lip. And that's it. This is the finished look. This is how you can tweak your daytime makeup and transform it into a nighttime look. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to hit the like button if you love this video and subscribe to my channel because this will motivate me to do better work in the future. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm wishing you to have a blast in this Eid. I will see you soon. Bye.